What's the meaning of cookie cutter? Cookie cutter. Cookie cutter.
Cookie cutter. Cookie cutter. The term cookie cutter is often used to describe something that lacks originality or creativity, like a mass-produced item from a template. It refers to a tool used for cutting cookie dough into uniform shapes, resulting in identical cookies. When applied metaphorically, it implies a lack of individuality or variation. For example, a building or website design that follows a standard template without any unique elements might be called cookie cutter. Essentially, it means something is standardized and lacking in distinctive features.